me at recruiting training.
Sorry.
So this motherfucker, right, is sitting there all by himself.
Sorry.
Okay, brand new E4 from an infantry unit sitting like this.
What the fuck?
Yes, top.
Yeah.
No, top. Where do I look in the book? Where do I look in the book? Like, yo, motherfucker, turn your eyes to the fucking left and ask me where you look in the book. It's okay.
No.
We're not in the field. It's all right.
It's
Okay. You're allowed to talk. You can talk here, too. You know, she hasn't said nothing here either. Still scared. Brand new, still scared.
taking it all in.
It's going to be okay. It's going to be all right.
Taking it all in.
It's going to be all right.
He doesn't want to give us any material for his roast.
Yes.
You look like Luna. You have a little bit more hair, so you might last a little longer, but it's not going to last that long.
Let's start it.
Luna had hair when he started.
I did. Saw that shit he smoked.
Yeah, no, you didn't have hair then either. I saw that boy
did,
pictures.
but
You had no hair.
Hey, you went to recording school with me. You should know.
Then we got Torres here, right? Torres. Sergeant Page was talking about how he finished the mile. The only reason Sergeant Page knew is because he was way behind him until Torres started dying. Sergeant Page was running just like that. Oh, God. Why, Sergeant Major, did you make me do this shit? I just wanted to pencil whip it. So he finally catches up to Torres, right? And Torres is like, boss, we just stop. You're the boss. Nobody's here to watch us. What the fuck are we struggling for? Sergeant Page said, it's accountability, Sergeant Torres. Get your fucking head up. So as soon as he finishes, right, he sees him struggling. Where's he taking for lunch? To the IHOP. No, eat your fat fucking face, you pig. It's alright, go right ahead. Order whatever you want.
Scrambled eggs with cheese!
That's right. And by the way, let me get the home fries on the side, please.
Yo.
Alright. And then we got Sergeant G here, right? Some of you guys weren't there. She's not down here, so I'm going to tell the story about when we were up in Gettysburg, right?
Oh.
We'll go back to Sergeant Page for a minute, alright? Because I think that Sergeant Page fell in love that night.
Oh yeah, that girl.
Hey, yo, fuck that.
She got lucky because he didn't get that ass whooped.
We're gonna get that. We're gonna get that. We're gonna
Okay.
get down to point.
I'm just saying.
She was fucking.
But
I'm like, she loved
ass
me. Like, no, she loved me. I'm like,
I'll tell the story.
This girl kicked him. She's kicking him from stage.
that's all they were.
Stay back. Stay back. Then we got G. Alright. G straight up hammered, and all of a sudden these two Navy dudes walk in uniform. It's not crazy. G walks in stand there. These two Navy dudes walk in uniform, and G says,
Tell it.
"What the fuck are you doing here?" And they start laughing.
Yes.
So then he's standing there with these guys laughing at them, and they're looking like, "Who the fuck is this dude? Like, who are you?"
You were there that night.
I'm an E7. and I'm an MP. Alright, so I'm standing back here like, motherfucker, you're a recruiter. You are not an MP. Alright, next thing you hear is, clink, 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 clink. You got Sergeant fucking Flood over here flipping quarters. So here I am, right? And I'm not the most sober one because I told you I like to drink. So I'm standing out here. I got Sergeant Page over here getting kicked to stay off stage. I got G over here. I'm an MP. What the fuck you doing here in uniform, baby guys? I got Flood flipping quarters like he's down fucking at 2nd and Cambria. This shit's a hot flying in Gettysburg. So next thing you know, Flood's getting kicked out. G's over here starting to fight. You're a disgrace to the fucking army standing here in this bullshit. And these guys said, what are you talking about, dude? So G pulls his fucking ID card out.
Yes.
What's so funny? Yeah, here's my ID card. I'm an E7. Yeah. Why you leave? You need to leave. Next thing you know, we see Sergeant Flood. We see Sergeant Flood getting escorted out. G's like, where are you going? I'm an MP. My name's Sergeant G. Sergeant Page is still over there getting kicked, doesn't know what the fuck is going on. And I'm just standing here shaking my head like,
love her.
I'm just standing here like this. I should have fucking listened to Munoz and fucking stayed away from these fucking guys.
How do you get done now?
Yeah, right. Now you're in the middle of it.
So finally they get me out of there, right? And G goes back to his storefront. After we all get back from Gettysburg, it makes up a song about these motherfuckers. Alright? He's down there singing songs about the Navy dudes. The seamen.
Hey yo, hold up. I got an interjection here.
What,
How
you
about
refer to
you
this story?
motherfucking jumping over the seat to fish hook another motherfucking senior non-commissioned officer? Fish hook. Yo, it went a little bit like this. Hey yo, who the fuck are you talking to? Don't be talking to my fucking boss like that, yo. I'll jump over the seat and fish hook the shit out you. No, you won't. Word. Bam! Got you. You're locked in. I'm about to rip your cheeks open. You're locked in,
Since you
motherfucker.
want stuff to before I get to Luna, I'll tell you the rest of the story. So after we leave, because these motherfuckers got us kicked out, all I want to do is look at